Hello friends, this is Kaushik. Welcome to your channel BankersPlace. So this is the daily schedule or to-do list for upcoming banking exam in 2022. So this is tomorrow's to-do list for 17th February 2022. So first of all, in the morning time, I will read the Hindu editorial and will note down vocab, and then I will watch current affairs video from Adda by Ashish Gautam sir, and then I'll give one pre-level mock for RBI assistant from practice mock, and then I will analyze that mock properly. I mean, where I'm lacking and what is my weak zone, so I have to work on those areas, right? So in the afternoon time, after the lunch, I will solve 20 arithmetic questions and 10 pre-level puzzle, 10 pre-level DI, and in the evening time I will solve 2 mains level puzzle, 2 mains level DI, and also after that I will revise current affairs from the month of January first week, and then I will revise vocab, and also before sleep I will revise table, square, cube, and then obviously sleep. So this is it guys, this is my tomorrow's to-do list. So see you in the next video, and if you guys have any query or anything else, you guys can comment on the comment section below. Definitely I'll reply over there to clear your doubts. So this is it, see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.